In this problem, we are asked to find the antiderivative of the function secant square of x times tangent of x to the power 4.
Let us integrate the function secant square of x times tangent of x to the power 4. In fact, the function we have to integrate is a product of multiple functions. We know that it is vital to check if among these functions we have a function and its derivative. If this is the case, we can use the substitution method. Observe that the derivative of tangent of x is secant square of x. In sum, we set u equal to tangent of x, then du equal to secant square of x. The integral of secant square of x times tangent of x to the power 4 can be expressed as the integral of tangent of x to the power 4 times secant square of x dx. We just have reordered the terms so as to easily identify u and du. Then, using the fact that u is tangent of x and du is secant square of x dx, we can express this integral as the integral of u to the power 4, du. Actually, we have just replaced tangent of x to the power 4 by u to the power 4 and secant square of x dx by du. In sum, the resulting expression is easier to integrate using the standard integration table. Indeed, we know from the standard integration table that the integral of u to the power 4 du is u to the power 5 over 5 plus the constant c. Then, when we replace u by tangent of x in the previous equation, we obtain the value of the final expression of the antiderivative, which is the fraction tangent of x to the power 5 over 5 plus the constant c.
Thank you for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel. We have an extensive collection of calculus-related videos covering limits, derivatives, integration, and many other calculus topics.